Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are doing good and enjoying your learning effectively through online lectures. Now it's time to do answers of the questions and solve work page that is on page number 12, 13, 14 of your book. So open your book and let's start. Lesson number 2, World Climate. Answer of questions and activities. There are 9 questions and it is include with work page of this lesson. Question number 1 is, in what ways does the climate affects our lives? Answer is, climate affects how we live, the kind of houses we live in, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, our activities and work, and the way we spend our time indoor and outdoor. Question number 2 is, look at the map on page number 9 and note the lines of latitude which divide the world into climatic regions. Answer is, the Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Cancer, the Antarctic Circle, and the Tropic of Capricorn are the lines of latitude that divide the world into different climatic zones. Question number 3 is, what are some of the factors that influence climate? The temperature, the amount of rainfall, the amount of water vapor, the direction and frequency of winds, and the presence of hills and mountains are factors that influence the climate. Question number 4. What is climate change? The answer is, climate change is the phenomena that occurs when there is a change in the climatic patterns of a region or on a global scale. From the mid to 20th century onwards, the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on Earth. Question number 5. How can planting more trees help to reduce climate change? Trees act the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide, which is the main cause of climate change, and release oxygen in the air. This way the air gets purified. What are greenhouse gases? Answer is, greenhouse gases exist in the earth's atmosphere and allow sunlight to pass through it and reach the earth's surface, nearby regulating the earth's temperature. The next question is, what is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse gases in the earth's atmosphere trap heat to keep our earth warm. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Question number 8 is, what kind of human activities are responsible for climate change? The use of fossil fuels, destruction of forest areas for agriculture purposes, deforestation in general, manufacture of cement, chemicals, metals, etc. are some of the factors that are responsible for climate change. Question number 9 is, what can you as an individual do to control climate change? Answer is, many activities can be undertaken to reduce climate change. For example, using a car, recycling material, buying less plastics, etc. Come to the work page. Answer these questions. Number 1. The place with the highest annual rainfall. Answer is, the hill station of Murray, 1789.3 millimeter. The place with the lowest rainfall is dash Nokandi, 35.3 millimeter. The place with the lowest average winter temperature is Quetta, minus 2.0 centigrade. And number 4 is, the place with the highest average summer temperature is Jacobabad, 36.9 degrees centigrade. And the last one is, compare the climates of Murray and Quetta. How are they alike and how do they differ? The answer of this question is here below. The average winter temperature in Quetta can go as low as minus 2 degrees centigrade, and the average temperature in summer can also go high to 25.6 degrees centigrade. Whereas Murray's average winter temperature is 3.7 degrees centigrade and maximum temperature in summer is 20.6 degrees centigrade. Murray gets 1789.3 millimeter of rain annually, and Quetta gets 260.8 millimeter. Both the places have low temperature, however, Murray gets a lot more rain than Quetta. Come to the next question. Read and mark the sentences below as true, T, or false, F. Number 1, places near the poles are often very warm. The answer is false. And people live in cold climate, build houses with sloping roof. It is true. Murray has a very dry climate with little rainfall. It is false. Climate affects how we live. It is true. And number 5 is wheat needs a lot heat and rainfall to go well. The answer is false. Come to the next question. Make a graph to show the data for the average rainfall in June in your city. Dear students, you have to draw a graph on your book, and you have to show the average rainfall in June in Rawalpindi. You can get help from internet. Come to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 is without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very dash with temperatures falling to minus 17 degrees centigrade. The answer is chilly. The use of dash fuel increases the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The answer is fossil fuels. Number 3 is plants and trees uh, absorb carbon dioxide. Number 4, the main energy resource for producing electricity is coal. Number 5 is walking and cycling is good for the environment because it doesn't cause pollution. And the last one is greenhouse gases trap dash in the atmosphere, and the answer is heat. Dear students, hope all the answers